Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best arbitrage that you can find in cryptocurrency coin, specifically on Bybit in 2026. So this arbitrage is very simple. All you just need to do is to make some USDT available and start buying this and sell this, or you swap from this to this and make your own reasonable profit. You can make not less than 100 USDT if you consistently doing this every day. You can do that daily. You can do that every time or anytime, no matter how many times you wish to do in a day. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. All you just need to do is to just simply have a verified Bybit account or any exchange of your choice and make some USDT available. So let's dive into that. Now I'm going to use Bybit Exchange for these tutorials. So the moment you move into Bybit Exchange, the next thing you just going to do is to actually navigate yourself to the market sessions. It's very simple. When you navigate yourself to the market sessions, you're going to navigate yourself to where a particular coin is, a particular coin called H coin. You can see this one is showing H/USDC and there's also H/USDT. Okay, all right, in between these two you're going to check what exactly are you going to do to make this particular reasonable profit. Now look at the price of okay, now look at the price of HUSDC, which says 0.63260. It's very simple, right? It's very simple. So if you see this, then you're going to probably navigate yourself to this USDC and see what you can gain from there. If you navigate yourself here, you're going to click on USDT. Okay, now we are in USDT. We're going to look for the same H coin. Now come to this place, almost 0.65. Now this is the H and this is its current price against USDT. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do is to convert your USDT to USDC. All right, to USDC. So let's say you have 100 USDC. Let's go back there. Let's say you have you have already converted your USDT to USDC. Okay, let's see if converting your USDT to USDC, let's see how much you're going to make. Click on here. Okay, if you have 100 USDT, you're going to make 154 of this particular cryptocurrency coin. Okay, 154. Then you're going to write this down. Okay, you write this down. So if you have written this down, we're going to look at against USDC. We're going to look at against USDC. This against USDT, we have 100, we have 154 with 100 USDT. So what about against USDC? Against USDC, let's look at for it. H against USDC. H against USDC 0.632. All right, H against USDT, I'm going to use, okay, let's say 100 USDC. We get 158. You can see this is actually very simple. You can make your reasonable profit from all of this. Okay, it's actually simple. You can see now you get 158 with the USDT. You get what? 154, right? 154. Okay, if you get 154 with USDT and you get 158 with USDC, so all you just need to do is to buy with USDC. You get 158, then trade it against USDT. Okay, now you have 100 USDT, right? You have 100 USDC, sorry. You have 100 USDC, which gave you this, 100 USDT, give you this, and the 100 USDT gives you what? 154. Okay, now I'm going to sell this 158 now against USDT. How much will you gain? You gain roughly more than that. Okay, so if you have to sell this now, this is your 100. If you have to sell this for 100, that gives you 158. Okay, 158, 158, 158. Don't forget 158. So you're going to sell it against what? Against USDT. So let's go back. Let's go for USDT. So we're going to go into search for USDT. Now here is USDT. And in this USDT, we have how much? We have 154. We have 158, sorry, of this particular coin. You can see that we have instantly made 2.538840 instantly with no delay. Okay, instantly with no delay. All right, so all you just need to do, you can do this consistently, no matter how many times a day. It does not have a limit, does not have a limitations. You can keep doing it, no matter how many you can, so that you can actually keep making your profits. All right, so if there's any question you have, you can kindly drop it at the comment sections, and I will really attend to you ASAP without a waste of time. Okay, sorry, I'm having some network issue, which is why you're seeing this. So if you have any question, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. And if there's any other thing you want me to explain regarding this recent latest arbitrage, please do well to let me know and I will attend to you ASAP without waste of time. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. In my next class, as I promised, I'm going to bring out 3 cryptocurrency coins I'm going to concentrate on this July. All right, and you will make a reasonable profit. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.